Ever heard of a wearable air conditioner? It's called a COOLIFY, and it goes around your neck. I've been going to the beach a lot. It's a bladeless neck fan in the shape of a horseshoe. So there's just the one button. Click it, and it turns on. And you can feel the fan. The air comes out here, and it comes out here, and it does that on both sides. One click turns it on. Another click brings it to medium. And then here's the highest setting. 3 clicks in, 4th click is off. One of the coolest features about this part right here. It gets very chilly, but it doesn't turn on with the rest of it. So when I turn this on, the fan turns on, so there's air blowing from all sides, but this doesn't get cold. To get it cold, hold the button for like 1.5 seconds while it's on. And now, it's cooling right here. Without this, it's not gonna cool very much. When I first got it, it came with a pretty decent charge on there, but I do recommend charging it up when you first get it, so the USB port is right there. Inside is a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. I'm gonna put this on the highest setting and see how much it's gonna cool me down. It's starting to get a little sticky out here. And this thing does expand. Oh yeah. It's feeling a little moist. That's really nice. Oh yeah, it works. It works. I'm gonna be super lazy. Ooh, I'm gonna try this on medium. Where's the button? There it is. Oh, that was medium. Maybe I should try it on low. Oh, I didn't want to put, oh well. I got the equivalent of laundry day in my fridge right now. I gotta go grocery shopping tomorrow. On the highest setting, the battery lasts a couple hours. The lower the setting, the longer the battery lasts. The whole body's really warm except for right here. It's nice and cool to the touch. Interesting. I didn't get paid to show it. I was just really curious. I've never seen anything like it, so I agreed to do the video. So, if you're interested in it, there's gonna be a link down below. And that's it. Toodaloo-dee-loo.